If a resident submits a maintenance request at 11 p.m., who actually owns the outcome? For most operators, the answer is nobody. And that's where maintenance starts to break.
Everything breaks, so let's be honest.
It's not about convincing the resident that the voice on the other end of the line is AI or not. It's about actually solving their problem when you're on the phone. If all you are is a glorified voice mailbox, that's actually where you get challenges with residents.
I think NTEs are kind of ridiculous, if we're being honest in this space. We have some NTEs that come in for emergencies at midnight on a Saturday, and it's a true emergency, and we have a $99 NTE. And then you're getting those vendors that are coming back with a $499 invoice because the NT was $500.
The way to think about Mason is if you're not generating more than 3x the ROI on our annual subscription fee in the first year, it is not successful.
The key being if the resident doesn't feel the technology working for them, the operating alpha is theoretical.
I don't think that operators are ready for, I'd say, the manual judgment and tribal knowledge to be automated. They say they are, but they don't want to let go.